Lemons are versatile in cooking and they are beneficial for our health due to their rich nutritional profile. Home remedy for sore throat. To a glass, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Pour lukewarm water and mix it well. Drink this water slowly instead of gulping it quickly. This remedy soothes the throat by reducing the irritation and pain. Since it naturally improves the immune system, lemon water works towards faster healing of the infection. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, and this means better immunity and faster healing of wounds. Citric acid in lemons aids in better digestion of food. Lemon water promotes feeling of fullness, which results in reducing cravings and thereby weight management. Lemon water hydrates the body quickly and provides instant energy when we are tired. Vitamin C in lemons promotes collagen production for a young-looking skin. It improves overall skin texture by reducing scars and blemishes. Here is a little tip. Apply a little oil to the unwashed lemons, cover them with a paper towel and store them in the fridge for more than 2 weeks. Always store lemons away from other vegetables to avoid spreading mold.